As a college student using this retirement plan, you can retire rich while enjoying your life and achieving your financial goals at the same time. So let's see the step-by-step process. Number 1, SMART goal and the 50-30-20 rule. SMART goals stand for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Your SMART goal could be to build a 10 crore rupees retirement corpus by the age of 60 while enjoying your life. So start by following the 50-30-20 rule, which states that 50% of your salary should go on your needs, 30% should be spent on your wants, and 20% on savings and investments. This way, you are not just saving but also spending on your wants. Number 2, understand your risk appetite. So first consider purchasing a health insurance as a term life insurance for yourself. Maintain 3 to 6 months of expenses in liquid funds as an emergency. Invest remaining savings in funds matching your risk level to beat the inflation. Number 3, open a demat and a trading account so you can invest in mutual funds and stocks. Number 4, start systematic investment plan or SIP in a diversified growth fund with just a small SIP of 4,000 rupees per month for 40 years at the rate of 12%. You could have 4.75 crore rupees at the end of the period, and with 10% annual salary raises, the corpus could reach the massive amount of 10 crore rupees. Number 5, use tax saving schemes like NPS, PPF, and EPF. Suppose you contribute to EPF at the age of 22 years with a 12% of salary, let's say 24,000. Rising 10% annually could give 6.4 crore rupees by the retirement. Number 6. As your income grows, raise investment instead of spending more. Continued higher savings and investment at a young age allow wealth to accumulate substantially over decades through compounding. So start early and start now. Periodically review your goals, rebalance asset allocation, and reallocate investments as needed. Stick to this straightforward plan to become financially independent before conventional retirement age.